Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can move contacts from phone to Google account in Oppo mobile device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Contacts app. Then make sure to select the contacts that are on the device or internal storage memory. Then select the contacts you would like to move. Tap at the three buttons. Choose the Move to Another Account option. Move. And well, if you have only one Google account selected, signed into on your phone, those contacts will be automatically moved to it, or saved or backed up to it. If you have multiple Google accounts logged into, you will need to select the one that you would like to move those contacts to. But well, as far as this video goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.